Are you searching for where to buy wholesale clothing? Then this video is for you. The basic strategy of a clothing business is to buy low and sell high to make profit. So one has to purchase in bulk from wholesalers with a lower price and sell them in retail with a higher price. Here we will discuss where to buy wholesale clothing in detail. So let's start. As a new clothing business owner, you must be conscious about the fake manufacturers. Once you get tricked by the fake one, it will ruin your business. To maintain a better quality product, you have to make deals with verified clothing manufacturers. Again, if you can get quality products with a lower price from verified manufacturers, you will be capturing more profit by retailing the quality clothing items with a higher price. The market is pretty much full with fake wholesale manufacturers who are unverified. As a beginner in this line, it is very easy to get trapped by the fake suppliers. Fake suppliers would lie to you about their identity. They would act as if they are the original manufacturer, but in reality they are buyers like you. So, eventually they will sell the product with a higher price as wholesale products. And thus you will not be able to make a good profit because you will not be able to charge a much higher price in the market. So, gradually you will see your business drowning in the ocean of loss. If you are a little bit conscious, you will easily watch out some differences in the unverified or fake manufacturers. Firstly, the suppliers will not ask for your business registration. Secondly, they will sell their product with a higher price. Furthermore, they will update many fees on their products gradually, which is not so random with the verified suppliers. After making sure to differentiate between the verified and unverified clothing manufacturers, seek for the good clothing manufacturers according to your demand. Read the policies of the manufacturers and fix your one whichever you find suitable for your business. You must legit your business, ensuring the rules and regulations to avoid any kind of scammers. Likely, if you are a registered business owner, you will be able to report fraudulent activities. It is really important to do proper research when you are preparing to purchase wholesale clothing. Verified manufacturers don't have any sole purpose for earning money through fake deals. They make a good relationship with their customers by offering them the best legit deals. Genuine wholesale clothing suppliers are professional and arrange many professional hangouts, industry events and trade shows, including many communities and forums. They do it for the better networking with their customers. If you give a proper effort to join their authorized communities, you will get many advantages from them by knowing many business tricks. It will help you to grow in the future. The genuine wholesale clothing suppliers will not only support you with the clothing supplies, but also they can give you suggestions for your business, and for that you have to make a good relationship first. Once you determine where to buy wholesale clothing, it will be much easier for you to know details on this line. While talking about a verified clothing manufacturer, we must bring the name of Beautiful Connection Group, which is a verified and trustworthy clothing manufacturer company in USA. They have a clothing factory in New York. This is the best option for new clothing business owners who want to start their businesses with a smaller amount of money. This is a great opportunity to start a new clothing line. This company includes advantages like easy ordering method, reasonable pricing, latest designs, customized designs, real-time inventory, special offers and discounts, fast shipping. Buying wholesale clothing is necessary for starting a new clothing line. It is the ultimate and easiest option to step up into the fashion world. Once you find the best option from where to buy wholesale clothing, you will step up more toward your success. But finding the best option is quite difficult because of the fake and unverified manufacturers. But being conscious, you can easily find out your clothing manufacturer that will benefit your business more. Hopefully this video on where to buy wholesale clothing would be helpful for your clothing business. Follow the link in the description below to know more in detail. Please subscribe our channel to get more professional tips following custom clothing manufacturing.